Hello, 1250. I wanted to hop on, and I'm sure you've been seeing lots of things pop up today. I wanted to make sure you understand what everything is. So let me start by pointing out the two new assignments that I have posted. And so one of them, I see it right here. I'm going to open it in a new tab. It's the final project. And then I also have the InDesign image import. So I'll talk about the final project in just a bit, but really the best place to start is in this assignment right here, the image import and final overview. And what this does in part one of this video, not only will you learn how to use a new app that I know you guys will all love called InDesign, but in this YouTube video, I also go over what the final project is. Good morning, 1250. It's always weird hearing your voice. But I also go through several examples from past classes. So my internet is struggling really bad today, as you can see. That's why it took so long to get the videos up. But you'll be able to go through those examples so that when you are reading through the final project, this should make more sense. I think it helps to see examples rather than reading through this list. But in a nutshell, the final project will be a design board that you put together, client of your choice, and also style of your choice. And then you're also going to be creating a booklet in InDesign with alternates to the furniture. So again, please see this YouTube video that I've linked here for more information on that. So part one will take you through many steps of InDesign, and then I give a pause and I go through the rest of it, starting to work with the PSD. In part two, you'll also learn how to put in a PDF and how to export as a PDF when you're done. So I just have it linked at the top and the bottom. So that covers this week's work. And then next week, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add graphics, lines, arrows, and frames. And then we're going to be adding something a little bit more advanced called packaging and sharing your work. Now, if possible, I will get this content loaded sooner than next week, but just know that part one, part two, as well as future content, I have that open for 2 weeks for you guys to work on, so that you can get comfortable with InDesign and keep adding to your assignment. Well, this assignment being your exercise. And while you're working in InDesign, you can also start working on and thinking about your final, since part of it is in Photoshop and then part of it is also in InDesign. So please start working on that. When you look at this first YouTube video, you'll see examples of boards that students have done in the past. You can start going online and downloading those images. Let me see if I can get a good view for you. Come on, Buffer, you can do this. Oh, this is so sad. This is what I've been working with. There we go. There's a good image. So really similar to your dollhouse exercise, you'll see that some people used a background, some people didn't. You'll see it in all these examples. Let me see if I can get one more view. It's really up to you how you want to collage your room together. Let me show this example here. Right? So start getting an idea. Who do you want your client to be? What type of pieces do you want to start photoshopping to put your room together? I will also be available for you guys to ask questions on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but because life and schedules are just so crazy right now, those are my designated times. But really at any point, send me a message on Canvas and say, hey, I'm having trouble with something, can you help me? And more than likely I'll have a minute to jump on within like the next hour or so. So please reach out to me. I'm still here to help you guys. Hang in there. We're so close to wrapping up this semester, and I can't wait to see what you guys are able to do with this last portion of the final and this last exercise that we have. Again, I miss you all, and I hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.